it is! This is the biggest bus ever! Mom, the bus is very big today.
Yes, Tom. This is the long travel bus.
I like the blue seats. They look very soft.
Sit down, kids. The bus will leave soon.
Dad, how long is the trip?
About 1 hour to Grandma's house. All right, team. Safety first.
Is it time for cookies yet?
Tom, we just sat down.
I brought cookies for the trip.
That is nice, Anna. Grandma will love them.
I want to sit near the window.
Okay, Tom, but keep your seatbelt on.
Look outside. The city is waking up. The buildings look so tall from here.
The bus is starting now.
Bye, bus station. The road is very busy today.
Morning traffic is always heavy.
Dad, I feel a little strange.
Wait, what did you say, sweetie? What do you mean, Tom?
My stomach feels tight.
Did you eat too fast this morning?
Maybe a little. Tom always eats pancakes very fast. Anna, that is not funny.
Take a deep breath, Tom.
Mom, I think I need the toilet.
Oh, that can happen on long trips.
Don't worry. The bus should have a toilet.
Really? I hope so. Tom looks worried. Dad, I really need to go.
Okay, let me ask the driver.
Stay calm, Tom. We will help you.
My stomach hurts more now.
Try to think about something else.
I cannot. I only think about the toilet.
Excuse me, bus driver. Is there a toilet on this bus? Yes, there is one at the back. Thank you very much. Tom, there is a toilet behind us.
Really? Thank you, Dad.
Walk slowly. The bus is moving.
I will move my bag. Thank you, Anna. Oh no, the bus is shaking.
Hold the seats when you walk.
I am trying.
The door is right there, Tom.
I see it. Wait. The door is locked. Dad! The toilet door is locked.
Let me see.
Maybe someone is inside.
I hear water.
Yes, someone is using it.
Oh no, I cannot wait long. Breathe slowly, Tom.
Maybe the person will finish soon.
I hope so.
Try to stand still.
Dad, this is very hard.
Look outside the window, Tom.
cannot look at anything. The bus is turning again.
You are doing well.
I think the door is opening. Really?
Sorry, little guy. The toilet is free now.
Thank you.
Go quickly, Tom.
Be careful.
Finally! I made it!
Take your time.
We are right here.
I think Tom feels better already. I feel much better now. That is good to hear.
Sometimes travel surprises us.
Tom, do you still like bus trips?
Yes, but next time I use the toilet first. That is a smart plan.
Everyone learned something on a trip.
Grandma will laugh when she hears this story. Please don't tell Grandma.
Maybe just a little.
The road looks clear now.
Look, I see Grandma's town sign. I am ready to visit Grandma now.
Good. Everyone is calm again.
Trips are easier when we help each other.
And when Tom finds the toilet.
Thank you for watching our story today.
If you enjoyed this family story, please like the video.
Tell us in the comments. Did this ever happen to you?